So when you get ready to go to the bank, you may be asking yourself, will the bank even loan me money on this type of property? Well, here are some of the favorite property types that lenders are willing to loan against. Number one is owner-user properties, especially if they can put an SBA loan. The lowest risk property, the owner's in the property, making sure it's going to be maintained, and you've got their signature on the line, both from a company and from a personal standpoint. The second one is a stabilized commercial property. Now you're asking me, what is a stabilized commercial property? Well, this can be a strip center that has national tenants as well as regional tenants in it who have been there for a long time, who have been paying their leases, and the leases go out for a number of years. This way there's guaranteed income on it. They like to see that the tenants are in place for a long time. The next, stabilized multifamily. So if you have an apartment building, it's located in a good area, next to business, bus stops, parks for kids, those type of things, with good rent roll history on the property, that's a property they're interested in loaning against. Why? Again, because the income has been stabilized over a number of period of years, and it looks like it's going to continue to remain the same. Next is landlord improvements for tenants. This means the landlord is actually borrowing the money on his business, his building, in order to attract a tenant. Usually these tenant improvements are paid back by the tenant through their lease. But again, since the landlord is doing the improvements, they have the landlord who owns the building, so that means they have collateral on it. Last but not least is a property that has a signed lease. So you're actually doing a build to suit with a signed lease saying that they agreed to lease that property once the property is built for X number of years. This way the bank can tie their maturity date to the terms of the lease. These are all great type of properties that banks love to loan on. If you want to talk about what's available in our market, give me a call. We'll sit down and go through the market and see what fits your needs. Thanks again.